Today, it's the HAVIT KB390L. The HAVIT KB390L is among the best gaming keyboards that you can find on the market, as not only does it look gorgeous, but it's also armed with low-profile blue switches that will dramatically improve your gaming experience. From a design perspective, this model offers an ultra-thin and lightweight construction that holds 87 blue switches with a 3mm key travel, meaning you can press each key accurately without missing a single stroke. And when we add the fact that this keyboard has an ice blue LED backlight, it means your gaming experience will be great. The keyboard has an N-key rollover, which is essential for gaming, since most of the time we have to press multiple keys at once. Moreover, if we flip the keyboard over, you can instantly notice the presence of two raisable rubber pads on the corners, so you can adjust your keyboard as needed. On the front top, there's a dedicated female micro USB port that'll provide sufficient power and functionality for the keyboard on one hand, while on the other it will drastically ease your cable management so you never have to deal with a cable mess again. In practice, users claim that keys sit perfectly under your fingers and they don't require a hard press, but instead a simple light touch press is all it takes to register your stroke. Finally, the HAVIT KB390L is compatible with the most commonly used operating systems such as Windows, Linux and Mac. Overall, the HAVIT KB390L is worthy of considering, especially if you want to have a mechanical gaming keyboard that looks, feels and performs premium.